And back home, $360 million. That's the preliminary estimate for the damage associated with the passage of then Tropical Storm Ian. Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave an update in the House, adding that a comprehensive drainage study is being done as part of a plan to upgrade infrastructure. Andrea Chisholm has details.
Massive landslides, roads transformed into rivers, and uprooted trees. Just some of the damage caused by the outer bands of what was then Tropical Storm Ian as it soaked sections of the island with up to 265 millimeters of rainfall in just one day. Parishes hardest hit: Clarendon, St. Elizabeth, St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew, Westmoreland, Trelawney and Portland. After 3 days of intense rainfall, a hefty bill.
The very preliminary estimates to reopen roads and make surfaces drivable is $360 million. Preliminary, it might increase a little bit more, but thankfully, Madam Speaker, it is not in the billion. The cost of permanent repairs are being assessed, and over the next 2 weeks, I will update Parliament as to what those would be. Certainly for the repair of retaining walls that have been destroyed, those costs might be a little bit more.
The National Works Agency NWA is expected to use its existing budget to undertake some of the repairs. The agency estimates that about 47 roadways were affected.
All roads have been reopened, with the exception of the corridors from Chapelton to Rock River in the north, Mackney to Douglas Castle, St. John's to Pedro River, and Thatch Walk Bridge in Anion Town. The alley road in southern Clarendon was damaged due to the Rio Minnow overflowing and scoring a small section of the northern approach to the bridge. Access to this roadway has been restored.
A section of the roadway from Lower Chapelton to Rock River in Clarendon will have to be rebuilt. In responding to concerns about drainage, Prime Minister Holness admits they are not designed to deal with heavy rainfall. But he says that will change going forward following the completion of a drainage study.
The strategy is that as we build out the new roads, we build out adequate drainage.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.